Saitama Wolfpack. What's happening? It's been a while. This is Hutch Nast, and version 2 is up now. If it hasn't been migrated to your wallet yet, it will get migrated. And actually, the best part of Saitama version 2 is that you're not going to have to do anything to get the new version of Saitama. So, Saitama's official Twitter with the new logo and a new @ So they're at We Are Saitama. Now they went on to say, "Hi Wolfpack, we will turn on trading for V2 at 9 p.m. Central and keep on airdropping the rest of wallets for migration process." Now this was actually announced 10 hours ago. So that means that last night the migration started. Now, the best part of this migration is that we don't have to do anything to be migrated to the new version 2. And the rebranding looks pretty cool as well. They changed their logo up, kind of made it simpler. I'd say like made a web version. I feel like that's how the logos have gone with a lot of companies lately. And they put a video out saying how they're like the new Saitama, this is who we are. And this is actually, here's an exact excerpt from it. "We are Saitama, a global community of committed individuals building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same vision. To foster this vision, Saitama develops a decentralized ecosystem aimed at making cryptocurrencies simple and safe for people of different cultures, ages, and economic status." Now, the current use case for Saitama would be just decentralized money, and you can also use it on SaitaMask to swap in and out of tokens. And I think that's the largest staying power with this project, because even if you're not just a bag holder of the project itself and you're using it to swap in and out of tokens, then it's getting used as a currency. That would be like me buying and selling stocks in US dollars, except in this case, it would be with Saitama. So I don't want to make huge predictions, but this could actually could be the next Binance token, depending on how large of a user pool that SaitaMask actually ends up having in the long run. But I think that they did it right. There's a lot of things I believe this project has done wrong over the last year, but I think that they did this right, getting a mobile app out, trying to make trading easier, trying to mainstream it a little more. And maybe I have more perspective than some on this. Like the first bull run of Bitcoin, like for you to buy IOTA, which was like the hottest cryptocurrency at the time, you had to actually pretend or VPN into a different country in order to create a Binance profile, because they didn't have like they got shut down by the US or got enough scare letters from the United States. They didn't want to deal with it. Now Binance is a completely separate entity as far as the United States version. It's just literally different. So you had to jump through hoops and read forums and try to figure out how to actually get it swapped out. And there wasn't a lot of information out on it, and it wasn't easy. I did it, but it wasn't easy. And a normal person might not be willing to do this. And if SaitaMask actually solves that problem, it's worth its weight in gold, man. If SaitaMask can make all of this trading and into especially the lower cap coins and the less listed coins easy, they could be, I don't know, the Coinbase of small cap coins. I think Coinbase, that's the reason that they've stayed around, because they made this whole process so much easier. It's a thing that already existed, and they just made it so much easier. And I really believe that SaitaMask could be the thing that actually does that. and it's backed by Saitama. So I'm super excited for the next wave. It's cool what they're doing. I like the rebranding. If you like this video, I'll actually link an entire playlist of Saitama videos in the description below. This has been Hutch Nast. Saitama Wolfpack! Let's ride! I'll see you guys in the next one.